gonna be playing mini soccer, bowling, whatever. And we're gonna have this yellow ball. We're gonna kick it. And we've heard that we're gonna have a deadly dare if you get last place. You're gonna have to cover yourself in snow outside. Yeah, in the clothes we have on right now.
Oh, okay, and then we're gonna have versus
2v2.
So it's gonna be me, Jace, Blake, and Mac. You go to the finals. There's gonna be a goalie, and then yeah, that's basically
Okay,
it.
and the most to hit the cups down it goes to the next round. Here we go, guys. Okay, we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors. The loser goes first. The winner goes second. Okay, here we go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I gotta go second. Okay, here I go. You ready? Yep. I'm down 1, and I'm going first. I have to get a good score to win this. 6-5. Oh. You got one. Okay, so I am currently tied with Jay 6-6. So I gotta just get one. Here I go. No!
Yeah.
Did you say go?
Yeah.
1. Okay, so what we're going to be doing, me and Mac are in the finals. We're doing rock, paper, scissors. And then Blake, on the other hand, is going to be goalie. Only can use his feet. Watch it. So he's going to have to go like that when we shoot. It's going to be hard to score. I mean, hit a couple. But Mac and me do rock, paper, scissors. Here we go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No. You go first. Okay, stop. No, hey, stop it. Maniac. Okay, D, you ready? And by the way, it goes to 5, and we're on, this is our 4th shot. Mac's 4th shot. Go, Mac. That was way Okay, so it's overtime. We're both tied 3-3. Here we go. Mac, you're up. Winning. If I don't get 7, he wins. This winner. This kid. Now he's going.
You know I'd fall apart.
Okay, so right now Mac is undefeated. So in our last battle, the soccer one, penalty shootout, he won. He did good, and he stands his ground here in the soccer bowling battle. But now let's look at the 2 losers, Blake and Jace. So what they have to do, we're gonna figure out what the consequence they have. So I'm pretty sure Jace needs to get like covered in snow, like a shovel full or something, and then Blake needs to run across the yard barefoot. 2 times.
What?
Around the yard, yeah. So that's it. So see ya.
Okay, guys, here I am. There's gonna be 10 shovel things on my head and on me. And Blake over there, is gonna be running 2 laps around us, like around the
whole
Blake,
grass
hit it.
yard.
Go Blake.
Okay, go Blake, run!
What's my life?
Run, Blake! 2 laps, 2 laps, you got it!
We do this like every day, so.
Run! Oh gosh, we can't see him.
Every time it snows, we do
Oh
this.
gosh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes.
more.
He's running! Run, Blake, run! Okay, Blake, you're almost there!
I think he's gonna run by. His leg just falls off. His legs are falling off. Oh, he thinks
Yeah! Okay, you're done.
I'm kind of scared. because-
Lay down.
No! Lay down? Yeah, that's what we said. How?
Lay down,
I
Jace.
don't know.
Do it.
It's for video, guys, right? Yeah,
You know I'd fall apart without you.
Do 5.
I don't know how you do what you do.
Do it on his legs. Legs.
There's everything that don't make sense
Hey, you can't do
about me. Makes sense when I'm with you. Like everything that's green, girl, I need you. But it's more than one, and one makes 2. Put aside the math and
Okay, Kobe, you ready?
Oh, snow. Oh my goodness. Okay, what happened is Daxon shoveled snow all over the iPad. Like, where you look through, it was just everywhere. Like, everywhere. You couldn't even see it. But you guys could just see perfectly fine. But me, I couldn't see anything on the screen. But it's fine. It's
That
fine.
was
so horrible. It didn't look that bad, but it felt horrible. Like, I'm dripping right now.
So,
I know, and then I'm barefoot and I have to walk up the stairs.
on my
It's like, how bad could this be? I basically got a consequence.
I didn't
Next
know you
time,
had to lay
Daxton,
down, but
You're done. Okay, see you guys next time.